It's going to be a training video on how to use and set up a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So I've got a spreadsheet here, sample one with some source data. Got several rows of data and several columns, product, customer, looks like some quarterly sales. So I want to do a pivot table of this. I go to Insert, Pivot Table, Pivot Table. It has automatically selected my range. I'm going to have it go into a new worksheet. And you can see it's created a sheet where I can work with a pivot table. Over on the right is your pivot table field list along with the different sections. So for the report filter, I'm going to use product. And I'm going to put customer in the row. Now I could put customer as columns, but I'm going to put it in the row. And then these are each of the quarterly sales. I could do that as a column as well, but in this case, I want to do it as a value. And you can see it's put it in there as a count, but I'm not going to want to count. So I'll show you how to change these. So we have this drop down arrow on the right, and you go to value fields. And I'm just going to change that to sum. Same here. Change it to sum. Okay, so now we've created our pivot table. And then from within this, so right now we're showing all the product. And maybe I only want grandma's boysenberry spread. Okay. Which it pulls back. Looks like we did a little bit of sales from MERIP in the third quarter and from GeoURL in the fourth quarter. Let's say I decide I want to see all the product, but I only want to see unselect all. Maybe I want to see birds, and that will break down their quarterly sales. So that's how a pivot table works. You can play with it a little more and refine a little bit, but this is just a basic sample of how to set up a pivot table and how to use it.